Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am going to introduce SchoolAI, the innovative app designed to enhance your learning experience with personalized study tool and AI-driven insights. So let's explore. So you can see here on your screen a very simple interface of SchoolAI. Don't worry, I'll share the link in the description. So I'm clicking here to continue with my Google account. So you can see here there is an option to click on tools. The plenty of ready-made AI tools are available. It's really good, and these tools are very useful for daily teaching, learning and planning. So you can see here the lesson plan, multiple choice, rubric, worksheet, time-based activity, class newsletter. So it covers all the needs of the teachers or school administrators. So let's try a couple of tools. To generate lesson plan, you need to click here, generate. You need to select a grade. I'm going to select 12th grade. Let me write down a topic. So you can add some additional details also, although it is not compulsory to write something here, but I suggest it is very useful if you write down details about your curriculum. Let's say this topic is related to Pearson at Excel A levels or IGCSE or whatever board you are dealing with. So you can write down some additional details. Let me write down some. So I have given some additional details in order to align the lesson plan with A levels physics requirements. So you can add any additional document. It can be a PDF or any Word file. So once everything is ready, you can click generate. Wow, you can see here the lesson plan is generated. You can see grade levels, subject, duration, introduction, learning outcomes, the standards, material, and complete details including independent practice, assessment, closure, extension, differentiation, resources has been provided. So it's a very amazing tool. You can just share by just clicking with the link, or you can export as PDF or doc. You can directly add your lesson plan in your Google Classroom as well. Another best part of the SchoolAI is assistants. So you can click here on assistants. Here you can see the virtual assistants. There is a virtual co-teacher, education coach, common core expert, curriculum coach, field trip coach, essay grading assistant, research assistant. It's really good. And you can see here project based activity expert as well. Let's try to chat with project based activity expert. So for example, I'm asking an idea for brainstorm activities that don't require any material. Let's see. So the chatbot can also speak with you and you can reply as well.
Sure thing. Let's brainstorm some project-based activities
So you can also send an audio or a PDF file or text. What are you looking for? And this virtual assistant will give you a complete assistance to create an excellent project-based learning idea. You can also discover thousands of student activities. You can create and manage custom spaces. You can view and manage all student sessions as well. This platform is free and you can try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.